guys, I got a phone call, so last part 1 was not good. So like I said in the other part 2, take any loose pieces you find out, if there is any loose pieces, by turning them upside down to find out. And also, once you've done that, you're just gonna go to the back of Gabby Bear. I am in it, just like this, just like that. You're gonna take the flap up and pull on the fur. And it should just come out. It's not glued or anything. Accessing the foam. Okay. On the bottom and the two sides, and both sides, left and right. It shouldn't be hard. And no, there's not. It's covered by foam, so don't be worried about breaking anything. It's impossible to break it by taking the stuff out. But yeah, there's nothing on the top, like you see. So yeah, see you in part 3.